Well, there you go. Hey, haven't seen you guys in a while. I am going to start working on a project. I picked up some wood at the Woodcraft in Appleton, Wisconsin. I'm gonna find some wood. The next tongue drum, and usually it's right here. Alright, so that's really thin Purple Heart. Okay. This is what I got. Walnut here, and underneath I got some Purple Heart. So I'm gonna make a really awesome tongue drum out of this for myself, and I'm gonna let you guys watch me. And I'm also gonna talk about things that I want to make improvements on and do differently this time around. So this drum is going to be for me, and I'm going to make it out of Purple Heart walnut, and I got this from Woodcraft in Appleton, Wisconsin. And let's unbox and we'll unbag these gorgeous pieces of wood here. I am so happy with this. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but oh my goodness. Look at how beautiful that walnut is. This is gonna make the best tongue drum I've ever I'm gonna make. Maybe, I don't know, I'll keep making them. We'll see. And look at this one, not as much flame going on it as the other one, or quilting, or whatever you want to call it, but awesome. And then on the back side, ooh. And I'm torn. I don't know whether to try and make a walnut tongue drum. I mean, a walnut top tongue drum. I'm really tempted with this really flamed out one to do it that way. Or should I make the tongue drum part out of Purple Heart? So, gosh, it would be awesome. Purple Heart back and sides, and walnut for the top. Oh, it feels so silky smooth. Okay, I'm gonna open up this one now. So this is the Purple Heart I got. I've used Purple Heart before. If you haven't seen any of my videos, hang on, let me get this to focus. I've used Purple Heart on my videos in the past, where I made a tongue drum out of it with a Purple Heart top. Now, I'm not sure. There is a little bit of purple and a lot of, oh, I don't know. This might be interesting. This might be interesting. Lots of different characteristics to play around with here. And then this one is very, I guess, pale. A little bit of grayish in there and some bright purple. And then you get this side, which is just that's an amazing purple color as well. That would make a great top. Ooh. Anyways, that's the wood. Let me know what you think I should do with it. Should I do a walnut tongue drum top or a Purple Heart tongue drum top, and then back and sides or whatever? it means a lot to me that you guys want to see more videos from me. And I like making videos, so that's really good for me and you.